Okay folks, I'm back with another food haul. So I thought I'd share with you my brown bag. So today, Thursdays are my brown bag days. And I pick up one for myself and one for my mom. So we'll see what we got. Every once in a while, they're usually the same in each bag, but every once in a while, one bag will have something the other one doesn't. Which is kind of fun because my mom and I get to negotiate things. Because some things I don't use and some things she does, vice versa. So I'll turn the camera on and show you what I got this time. Okay, show you what we got. So there's one bag. Might have to put the camera down to open the bag. But so we got cilantro. Oh, and I got those yesterday for so I did a food haul last week, and I posted a video, so check out that video. And I did one yesterday, and I didn't post what I got. So anyway, I got these. These are really good. But here's the cilantro, and that's from. So there's a grocery pickup. If you watch my recent video I just posted, it's once a week I get to go and do a free pickup of some things I can get. So I get lucky sometimes and get some treats. So let's see. Strawberries. Spring mix. Let's see, we have like some chard, and cauliflower, and then looks like turnip. So far, I'll use all this. There's potatoes, apples, and turnips. So far, I think I'll use all of that stuff. And let's see if the other bag has anything different. It looks like the other bag is exactly the same.